Okay.
Yes guys, mag-update lang mi sa among container house. Kung saan na siya, kung saan na asa na mi. Yes guys, as you can see, human na mi sa foam, which is need siya diri because, you know, sa weather. So
yeah, we live in Texas, so we get really hot weather.
And cold.
And cold weather,
yes.
So we need some good insulation. So this video is basically on foam insulation. I want to cover a couple topics on the foam insulation. And just our friends back in Philippines, they've never seen foam insulation before because when they build houses, they just build out bamboo or they build it on a center block. So they don't have insulation there. Unless they got air con, then they put insulation on it. Anyway, that's not about that. Let's talk about, first though, before I talk about the insulation, I want to talk about this. This is blocking, okay? And so the reason why we block this is with wood. You know me, I'm a big, metal guy. So, because we're building a metal container. I don't trust these metal studs when it comes to putting cabinets on. This is going to be the kitchen. So we're going to have like the refrigerator right behind me, and then we're going to have the stove here, and then the cabinets here. The sink is going to be right here. And of course, we're going to have cabinets going all the way to the ceiling. So I don't trust these metal studs because they put screw-in cabinets because, I think they're 16 gauge or something. So I just don't trust it. So by blocking it, we don't have to worry about where the studs are. We could just screw the cabinets right on the wall and be good to go. But I wanted to cover, if any of you guys want to do these metal studs, how I blocked it. Of course, you can use a 2x6, 2x4, 2x8, whatever you want to use. And I took that channel, if you look at the bottom of the container here, there's a track and then the studs stay in there. And so the track looks like this, right? So what I did is you're gonna have the track sit on the on the stud, right? And then you need to block it. So basically what I did is I cut out a section that's about as thick as there, and then just screw 2 screws there. So you have it like that, and then you have the other one like that, and you have it like this, and then you just stick it in between your studs, and you're good to go. That's how I build the blocking. It's really firm, and you'll notice that when I told you on the video before, I only put 1 screw top and bottom on these frames, and because when you put the insulation in here, it strengthens it. So that's enough on the framing because I already covered the framing video about a month ago or so. But I want to talk about this foam insulation. So we almost went to open cell. This is closed cell. We almost went to open cell because I had already experienced in the other container where we're living that we had closed cell. And the open cell muffles a lot of your sound, outside sounds. Like for example, if it rains and hails, since you're living in a metal box, what happens? Makes a lot of noise. You can't hear the TVs there. So I decided I was going to go open cell because everybody kept telling me, no, you got to have a moisture barrier, and the open cell doesn't allow you to have good, because it's like a sponge, right? So I really wanted the open cell, muffle the sound, but I wanted the barrier, right? The barrier. But the difference is twice the money. I think somebody quoted me to do these two, because there's 2 containers put together, right? It cost me like $3,000 to do open cell, and then they wanted like $7,000 to do this. So what we ended up doing is going all 4 walls, ceiling, and then underneath the container, all closed cell. And it was pretty expensive, but I'm happy I did. And the guy gave us a really good deal. If you look at it, it's pretty much more than 2 inches or 3 inches or so. They give us good 4 inches of open cell. And so then we also, these doors here, there's 3 doors, and these are going to have sliding barn doors. And so you'll notice I blocked it here too. So the other thing I want to talk to you guys about when it comes to these DIYers. Now, did I want to go spend $7,000 on insulation? Heck no. So the other choice is to go to what, DIY, right? And that's where you go to like your Amazon or something, and you go buy a bunch of little small canisters and you spray yourself, right? Well, guess what? This whole thing was 99 gallons, like 100 gallons, just shy. It was like two 55-gallon drums of chemical to do this place. So do you think you're gonna go DIY 2 containers with all these little 5-gallon jugs that works up to be almost 100 gallons? No. You hire a professional, pay the money, they come in, they mask everything off real nice, and then they spray it, and then they go and clean all the stuff up. So I really highly recommend go find it. It's my decision to hire a professional, but I don't want to put on all that, mask and the clothes and spray it and all the chemicals and stuff. No, just go have somebody else do it. Pay somebody to do it. I've had fun doing all this other stuff. Anyway, so that's all from now. So in a second here in the video, you'll see that we went ahead and did a time lapse for you guys. So that way you can see it all. And it's a real quick video. But anyway, so there's Joe coming in. So anyway, that's all for this video. As you can see, we are drywalling.
Yes, we're done, almost done.
As you can see, we're drywalling, and but we're not done yet. So that's another video. We're doing the kitchen right now, right? So that's another video at another time. So stay tuned. We're gonna build cabinets. We're gonna show you a video on dry, and we did some painting on the outside, and then we installed this air conditioner. So stay tuned. We'll be back. Have a great day. Ciao for now.